some swirling. Oh, nice little spider. Thank you. You can see that on these lines just here. We'll aim to get rid of that. We'll do the same test again. Got some more here. You can see this vertical line. It's a brand new car. This is how it comes from the shop. So on this panel you can definitely see swirl marks just by these lines just along here, and our aim is to remove them. Look at here, I can see the swirl marks. There's 3 lines, and as I move my light to the other side, it's gone. And I come back, there's the definition of the line, and then the 3 lines on this side with the swirl marks. Oh my goodness. Swirl marks. To the panel without swirl marks. Swirl marks. No swirl marks. After washing your car and drying it, get it indoors so that you can start the ceramic process. First thing you should do is get a nice cleanser. The one I'm using is by Gyeon. It's called Prep. It's a nice pink fluid. You simply spray it on liberally, making sure you get rid of all the contaminants. What we're going to be doing is front part. Basically applying the whole car and make sure everything is all clean. I'm afraid I'm doing it with one hand, which is rather difficult. After using prep, letting it dry, we then move on to applying the ceramic coating. And what I've got here is the Gyeon Moss, and they supply the foam and cloths that you use it. Just follow the instructions, it's pretty straightforward. Buff immediately and remove any rainbow marks. Here we go. We've waited 4 hours, which is the minimum amount of time. After the ceramic has cured, we're going to now apply skin, which is our third layer, and it's the final one. They say apply generously and buff off so that you don't leave any streaks. I'm not going to show you because I don't have enough hands to do it. So we've got some skin on our cloth, and we've pretty much applied the same as the ceramic. Straight lines. You can actually feel how smooth it is. It's very slippery. So I'll just continue doing the rest of the front, and I'll show you the finished results later on. Just to show you an example of how smooth it becomes. So this is the bit I haven't applied. The cloth doesn't slide as easily. If you apply the bit that I've applied it just does not stay. Very smooth. Same with the wheels. We simply apply as soon as you can. All the surfaces. I'm going to have to use my hand without the cloth. Start buffing it off as soon as you can. So even though the wheels are slightly matte, it hasn't made them glossy at all. Of course, I'm going to do the inside of the barrels.